daughter was given homework. For most parents, your child will be given this particular homework. Write some true facts that you know about the queen. My Nigerian people, fall inside. If they give your picking this kind of homework, no go lose guard. No go lose guard. Not only beautiful things, correct things. You go right, even if you be citizen. Before you find yourself in Nigeria, there is freedom of speech. But they no guarantee you freedom after speech. To my British people, they don't